Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most highly anticipated modern classics reimagined for the new era, the 2025 Ford Mustang Eleanor, a name that resonates deeply with car enthusiasts and movie lovers alike. Eleanor has always symbolized style, speed, and pure American muscle. Now Ford has revived this legendary icon, blending vintage soul with futuristic technology, and it's time to see whether this new generation lives up to the legacy. The 2025 Ford Mustang Eleanor is not just a car, it is a statement. Designed to pay tribute to the timeless Shelby-inspired Eleanor of the 70s and early 2000s, Ford has given this model a fresh identity while keeping its aggressive DNA alive. The silhouette still screams Mustang, but the Eleanor touches elevated into a league of its own. It carries that mix of raw performance muscle and luxury refinement, appealing both to collectors and modern-day thrill-seekers who want history with horsepower. On the exterior, the design is absolutely breathtaking. Ford has gone all out with the body lines, giving the car a muscular stance with a wide-body kit that looks sculpted and aerodynamic. The iconic fastback shape remains intact, but sharper detailing and smoother surfaces bring it into 2025. At the front, a bold grille showcases the Mustang logo, flanked by slim LED headlights that almost look like eyes staring you down. The hood features aggressive air intakes, reminding you that this car is built for performance. The Eleanor stripes, which have become a symbol of identity, run across the body with elegance, giving that nostalgic yet modern vibe. The rear carries sleek LED taillights, quad exhausts, and a sporty diffuser that enhances both looks and aerodynamics. It is low, wide, and commanding, designed to turn heads anywhere it goes. When it comes to performance, Ford has engineered the Eleanor to live up to its legendary reputation. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang Eleanor offers multiple engine options, but the highlight is the 5.0-liter V8 tuned to deliver over 500 horsepower with blistering acceleration. For those who crave modern tech, Ford also offers a hybrid-assisted performance model that combines a turbocharged V6 with electric motors, producing nearly 600 horsepower while improving efficiency. The car rockets from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, making it one of the fastest Mustangs ever built. The handling has been enhanced with adaptive suspension, precise steering, and performance brakes that make cornering smooth and controlled. Ford has ensured that Eleanor doesn't just look powerful, but it drives like a beast on both highways and winding roads. The sound of the exhaust is another story altogether. Step inside the interior, and the 2025 Eleanor welcomes you with a mix of luxury, technology, and sporty charm. The cabin has been crafted with premium leather, aluminum accents, and carbon fiber touches that balance comfort with performance aesthetics. The seats are heavily bolstered yet comfortable, making sure you feel secure during aggressive driving while still enjoying long journeys. A massive digital instrument cluster displays everything from performance stats to navigation, customizable to fit your driving mood. The central infotainment system features Ford's latest sync software, fully compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless updates. The Eleanor comes with a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system that makes every drive feel like a concert. Ambient lighting, customizable drive modes, and driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring bring modern-day comfort and safety into this legendary ride. The Eleanor is not only about performance and design, but also about exclusivity. Ford is offering it in limited numbers, with each model carrying a special build number, making it as much a collector's item as a daily driver. Pricing reflects that exclusivity and the craftsmanship behind it. The base model starts around $75,000, while the higher performance variants and limited collector editions can easily cross $100,000. Considering its heritage, performance, and unique design, enthusiasts will find it well worth the price, especially those who know the cultural significance of the Eleanor name. The 2025 Ford Mustang Eleanor is a perfect fusion of past and future. It takes one of the most iconic cars in American automotive history and gives it a modern identity without losing its soul. From its aggressive exterior design to its high-performance engine options, from its luxurious and tech-filled interior to its exclusive pricing, This car is not just transportation, it is an emotion. For Mustang fans, for Eleanor fans, and for anyone who dreams of driving a car that blends history with modern-day power, this is as close to perfection as it gets. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Ford Mustang Eleanor, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more detailed car reviews and upcoming automotive legends. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy the Eleanor if given the chance? Or do you think the legacy is better left in the past? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion alive.